Welcome everybody, welcome to another episode of Shave and Talk. If you're new to the channel, we do this series called Shave and Talk where we just shave and talk about different subjects, most of them concerning the shave community, stones, razors, etc. But some about booze, razors, knives, cars, anything and everything. Today we have two awesome topics. First topic, we're going to be talking about EDC knives, everyday carry knives. What do you carry? And I'm going to show you what I carry on a daily basis. And the second topic, a lot of you are here for that one. We have reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so very much to everybody that has subscribed. If you have not yet, hit that subscribe button and punch that like button if you like this type of content. At the 1,000 subscribers, I promised that I was gonna give away a Kamisori, and this is a Japanese style razor, and we're gonna be giving it away. And I'm gonna show you today how you can get into the raffle for that beautiful Kamisori. First, let's hydrate and let's start lathering up. So what do we have today? We have today Achilles. Achilles, awesome soap from Soaps of the God, Vanuli. Fantastic soap. And we're going to be using horse soap, horse brush by Pantaray. This is a costume he made for me. I have shown it before in the channel. Let's lather up. If you have not tried Vanuli, their soaps are awesome and they lather fantastically. Some more water there. So EDC, everyday carry. So I figured to make a video about EDC. If you like this type of subject, let me know what kind of subjects you want to talk about. I would love to interact with you guys. You can do EDC wallets or key holders or whatever. EDC guns. What do you guys carry? But in this one, I just wanted to focus a little bit on EDC knives. For me, depends on what I'm doing, I carried something different. As a razor, we're going to be using this one is a Feather Professional blade on a Feather Artist wannabe. I made a video of this one. If you guys want to see it, check it out. So for me, my everyday carry changes depending on what I'm doing. If I'm at work, I carry something completely different that if I'm in my civilian world, I would like to call it. So when I'm at work, I'm in uniform, and for those that you didn't know, I am in the military. The laws here of Las Vegas allow me to carry a bigger knife while I'm on duty. So I carry a bigger knife. Las Vegas and this county have the 3-inch blade law. Therefore, I cannot carry the same knives I used to carry before I moved here. But while I'm in uniform, I can. So I take advantage of that. So my main carry in my uniform for years has been Gerber Auto, and this one is the -06, made in the US. All awesome. S30V, super rugged. It's very heavy, but I do not mind it. It's an auto with a button lock. They make several different variations of it. I carried that one when I was in Iraq, and I carry it when I'm in my uniform most of the time. But I don't carry only one knife. I carry several knives for different purposes. That one is for more utilities. I'm opening packages or boxes or whatever. I carry a knife that is for my apples, vegetables, and stuff like that. This one is a custom knife made by Driver Defense. It was made for me, S35 VN driver. This is great for cutting apples, cutting oranges, or whatever, vegetables or whatever. I don't use this one for anything other than food. And I carry it every day with a pocket clip, or not pocket, belt clip. So I carry two knives as of now, right? I carry a third knife, and it's a neck knife. It's a Gerber Ghost Strike. Do not have it here right now. Left it in my locker at work. But future me is gonna put a picture right here or somewhere about how it looks. Really cool. Made in the US. Lightweight. Those are the three knives that I carry when I'm at work. Well, most of the time. Say most of the time because, you know, just like with razors and different type of razors, I also rotate my carry knives. So I carry a Spyderco Tenacious in uniform. I chose this color because it matches my uniform and I think it looks cool. Tenacious is one of the inexpensive Spyderco line. Really cool, really rugged. Not awesome knife. Let's rinse this off. Let's get to the second pass. All right, second pass. Now, when I'm in my jeans or not, I carry a different knife for those occasions. For those, I carry my Benchmade Norfolk. This one is really cool. Has that access lock. Love that knife. Full liners. I like it. I like my knives to have a little heft on them. Like the Bug Out and the other ones. I have several dozen knives, but I like them to be rugged. And that one is from the Hunt series. If you guys are interested in taking a look at those, really, really cool. Now, just like with at work, I carry one knife also for food, and that is a Japanese traditional folding knife. These ones are not lucky knives. Can be opened one-handed with some effort, but you can do it. These are really cool. I have several of these. Those are the two I carry when I am off duty. I do not carry a neck knife usually when I'm off duty. Ooh, got me there. If you must know, cut myself, got some stitches. I'm not gonna show you too much, it's pretty nasty. Been trying to hide it. Brand new Japanese knife, got for Father's Day, kitchen knife. I dropped it, pulled it from the block, dropped it. Couldn't get my hands out fast enough, and it cut me. Now, what do you carry? What do you carry? What kind of knives you carry, if you carry one at all? And if you don't, you should. Let me know in the comments below. But when you go down in the comments below, I have some instructions for you. If you want to win this razor right here, this is how the giveaway is gonna go. I have two rules that must be followed to be able to get this razor. First one is super easy. You have to be subscribed. Only a subscriber can win this razor. Second thing, you need to leave a comment in the section below, but the comment has to be very specific. Rinse this off and I'll tell you how. Alright, so I'm going to be using an app called TubeBuddy to choose the winner out of the comments below. And in order for me to do that, you guys have to put a word in there for me to be able to choose. It's a randomizer that is built into this app. So some other YouTubers gave me the idea from the knife community, so I decided to implement it here. As an aftershave, we're using Achilles matching aftershave. Ooh, this one's ventilated. Ooh, so what word are you gonna put in there? You can put any sentence, anything, as long as you put Kamisori. Future me, put Kamisori here, right here. You have to spell it that way. If you do not spell it that way, the app is not gonna pick it up. So you have to spell it Kamisori, just how it is spelled right here, or future me, just put it in right there in my face. So this is going to be open for 7 days, from Wednesday to Wednesday. You're gonna put anything in there. You can put something funny, you can put, you know, I want to win a Kamisori. Just put it in the comments below. Next Wednesday, I'm going to have a video where I am going to be announcing the winner from the comments below. It is your responsibility to contact me via YouTube or my email, which I will put in the next video on the description. Once I verified that you are the winner and you are a subscriber, super easy. I'll just send you this razor. In the very next video where I'm choosing the winner, I am going to be refreshing it because it's still sharp, but the last person that shaved with it was me, and it's been a while since I honed it, and I haven't done a video refreshing a Kamisori. Maybe I have, but I will refresh it for you, and I will strap it and I'll send it to you for free. So again, you have to be a subscriber, you have to comment below, you have to put the word Kamisori in your comment, whatever comment you want. Man, it got me right there. All right, everybody, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking my videos. I will be bringing more and more different content from now on. I'm gonna be doing some live honing sessions so you guys can ask any questions as I hone. Those I think are gonna be super fun, and as always, I'm gonna be trying to post a video every Wednesday about shave related stuff, honing, shaving, or whatnot. And then my other content about knives and motorcycles and cars are gonna be in the rest of the week. That way you guys know on Wednesdays these are gonna be coming live. So thank you for watching. Catch with you guys in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. 80% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. What? One button. Press it. Catch with you guys later.